Hello friends, this is Tanmoy Banerjee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel called Easy Learning Art with Tanmoy. So friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep yourself updated for the forthcoming videos. And if you like the video, then please don't forget to give me a like and also share the video with other people. Hello, friends. This is Tanmoy Banerjee, and friends, as I mentioned in my yesterday's video, that very soon I would be trying my hand on acrylic for the second time in my uh, drawing career. So I have done it. Yes, I have done it. I have tried my hand on acrylic this evening, and I would like to show. I would like to show that how I have tried my hand on acrylic in this evening. Just hold on. So I have drawn this landscape picture. You can see I have drawn this landscape picture. So there is a perimeter wall, and behind the perimeter wall there is a garden. So it is the garden is full of large greenery, and you can see there are many flowers also, white, yellow, and orange color flowers are there in the garden. And the perimeter wall is very dark because it is full of fungus, and it is not well maintained, so the color has become uh, darkish on the wall. So for the second time I have tried my hand on acrylic. I don't know how did it come out. So please let me know your opinion. Please let me know your viewpoint on this drawing. If you like it, then please encourage me to draw more pictures in coming days. And for that I really need your support. You need to subscribe my channel, you need to share my videos with other people. So if you do that, then I get more encouragement to continue on this drawing journey with my YouTube channel called Easy Learning Art with Tanmoy. Thank you. Have a good day.